Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now, in this class, we are going to see triangles, and especially I will talk about congruency of triangle. So, the name of chapter is triangle, and here we are going to discuss congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. Two triangle ABC and PQR. Now, these two triangles ABC and PQR, they are said to be congruent if they are of the same size and they are of the same shape. So when two triangles are of same size and same shape, then we will say that the triangles are congruent. Now what we mean by same size and same shape? That means if I put one triangle over the other triangle, it will completely cover the other triangle. Okay, so when two triangles are congruent, first of all, let us see how I will write. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent, then I will write triangle ABC. Now, this is the symbol of congruence. I will draw two equal lines, and then on the top of it, you will see a symbol like this. This is the symbol of congruence of triangle, congruent triangle, or congruent. This is the symbol of congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And by saying triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, I mean to say that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and side AB equal to side PQ, side BC equal to side QR, and side AC is equals to side PR. Now when I say that triangle ABC is congruent to PQR, you can see here that when I take angle A, here I am taking angle P, means angle A and angle P are equal, angle B and angle Q are equal, and angle C and angle R are equal. So the equal parts should be at the respective positions. Respective positions means when A is equal to P and A is at the first position, then P should also be at the first position. It is not correct. Means here we have two triangle ABC and PQR. This triangle PQR, I can also say that it is triangle QRP or triangle QPR. But triangle ABC and triangle QPR, they are not congruent. They are not congruent because in triangle ABC, angle A is not equal to angle Q, but I have put them in the first positions, right? So whenever you are writing two triangles congruent, then their corresponding parts, their equal parts should be at the corresponding places, should be at the proper places. Means if side AB is equal to side PQ, then as I write AB in triangle ABC, in the same way I should write PQ in triangle PQR. So I cannot say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP or triangle RPQ or triangle QPR. Okay, I can only say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now when two triangles are congruent, then there are six conditions. We have three angles and we have three sides. Okay, these six conditions are satisfying. That is, A is equal to P, angle A equal to P, angle B equal to Q, angle C equal to R, AB equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So when two triangles are congruent, these six conditions are satisfied. But while you are proving that two triangles are congruent, it is not necessary that you will prove all these six parts equal. Okay, that means it is not necessary that I will prove that angle A equal to P, angle B equal to Q, angle C equal to R, and AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR. What we have observed that there are set of three conditions, okay, which if we prove okay are equal, then the triangles become equal. Now what are the three conditions? Let us discuss that. Now here I am discussing this topic, congruence of triangle, in short. If you want to see it in detail, you can see my lectures which I have given for CBSE 9th standard. Okay, you can go through the playlist of CBSE 9th standard, and there you will find triangle chapter or congruence of triangle chapter, and there I have put a lot of videos related with this congruence of triangle. Okay, so here in short I will discuss the criterias okay which should satisfy for two triangle to be congruent, and then we will start the exercise. Okay, for detailed video you can see my CBSE lectures. Hopefully at the end of exercise I might also include everything in detail here, but for now let us just see what are the criterias of two triangle to be congruent. So first criteria is side criteria. Okay, side test or side criteria. Mm, let us say side test. Now if in two triangle, okay, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of other triangle, I will say that triangles are congruent. Say we have in triangle ABC and triangle say XYZ, in triangle ABC and XYZ. If we have AB equal to XY, we have BC equal to YZ, and we have AC equal to XZ, then I will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. And here criteria is side. So it is side criteria, right? So your triangle ABC, something like this, ABC, and your triangle XYZ. Your side AB equal to XY, your side BC equal to YZ, your side AC equal to XYZ. Sorry, XZ. Second criteria is side criteria. So side angle side criteria. Now what is side criteria? Again, in triangle ABC and triangle say PQR, if I have side AB equal to side PQ, then I have angle B equal to angle Q and side BC equal to QR. That means here I have triangle ABC and here I have triangle PQR. Now in these two triangles, what I am saying that AB is equals to PQ, angle B is equals to angle Q, and side BC is equals to side QR. That is two side and included angle between them is equals to two side and included angle of the other triangle. Then you will say that these two triangles, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is your side criteria. So first criteria is the side. Second is side angle side. Third criteria is angle side angle. That means in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if say I have angle A is equals to angle P, then I have side AB. We have side AB equal to side AB is equal to side PQ and angle B is equals to angle Q. So triangles are congruent by angle side angle. Means here I have ABC and here I have PQR, and I am saying that angle A is equals to angle P, side AB is equals to side PQ, and angle B is equals to angle Q. So angle side angle, angle side angle. So that is side between two angles. Okay, if the condition is like that, then I will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and the criteria is angle side angle criteria. Okay, this is third one. Now fourth one is angle side criteria. Angle side. So in this case, I have triangle ABC and we have triangle PQR. I am talking about angle side. So suppose angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and side BC is equals to side QR. So this is angle side, angle side. So by angle side, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by angle side criteria. And fifth is your RHS criteria, or sometimes it is called hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. Okay. Different books refer this criteria differently. Means RHS means hypotenuse. I say hypotenuse, or I say right angle hypotenuse side test. Uh, that means the two triangles are right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Here, say this angle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Here also, angle in PQR, angle P is 90 degree. This angle, P angle Q is 90 degree. Okay. Now, if two triangles are right angle triangle and their hypotenuse are equal, and any one side means we have two perpendicular side. Out of these two perpendicular side, if any one of pair is equal, then we will say that the triangles are congruent by RHS criteria, right hand side criteria. Okay. So these are the 5 tests. You must remember all these 5 tests, and using these 5 tests, you can say that the triangles are congruent. Now, once you prove that the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will also become equal. Corresponding parts means here we have taken 3 conditions. We have taken either 3 sides, or we have taken 2 side 1 angle, or 1 angle 2 sides, something like that. Okay, so 3 conditions we have taken, 3 conditions still are there. So when we, by using 3 conditions, we prove that the two triangles are congruent, then the rest 3 conditions will also be equal. Say for example, in this side test, I have proved that these 3 sides are equal to these 3 sides. Okay, then automatically the remaining 3 angles, when ABC is congruent to XYZ, remaining 3 angles, 3 sides already we have taken, so remaining are 3 angles. Angle A will be equal to angle X, angle B will be equal to angle Y, and angle C will be equal to angle Z. Okay, so when 3 uh, things we proved, rest 3 things will be equal, and we will use the word CPCT. CPCT. This CPCT stands for corresponding part of congruent triangle. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So by using corresponding part of congruent triangle, I will say the rest 3 things are equal. Okay. Now we will see few problems, and using those problems we will clear our idea about congruency of triangle and what we mean by this CPCT. So let us begin. So first problem you can see here, it is given, first problem is, it is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. Is it true to say that BC is equals to QR? Why? Okay, so let us see what is given. We have given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. Okay, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. So I will draw one triangle ABC, and here I will draw triangle RPQ. Now I will name it RPQ, corresponding parts, not as PQR. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. So therefore, your side BC, I will take BC. Your side will be equal to BC will be equal to PQ, right? This is corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? So BC is equals to PQ, and what is given? We have given BC is equals to QR. So therefore, BC is equals to PQ. Therefore, this BC is not equal to QR. Okay. Why? You can say that because they are, this is not equal to this, as they are not corresponding parts, are corresponding sides. They are not corresponding sides, therefore they are not equal. Simple. Only the corresponding parts are going to be equal. Now second question, if the two sides, it may means you may feel that it is difficult to read, so you can always see your textbook. Okay, while solving, I am solving the problems from ML Agrawal book. Okay, so if two sides of angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and an angle of the another triangle, then the two triangle must be congruent. Is the statement true? If the two sides and an angle of triangle is equal to two sides and angle of another triangle, then the two triangles must be congruent. Okay, so is this statement true? Your answer will be no. Okay, this statement I will say that this statement is not always true. Why this statement is not always, this statement is not always true? As for two triangles to be congruent, the angle should be in between the two sides. Now, two sides, as for triangle to be congruent, the angle should be between two sides. Means we have seen side angle side. Side angle side. When I say side angle side, that means I have one side, then one angle, then other side. So side angle side. Now, if I take one side, then other side, and then an angle, so in that case, the triangle may not be congruent. So here actually they have written that key if two side and one angle. So about the angle they have not mentioned whether it is included angle between the two sides or it is the angle after taking two sides. So if it is angle after taking two sides, then it is not necessary that they are congruent. So this statement is a false statement. Okay, now let us see this third question. In the adjoining figure, you can see the diagram. In the adjoining figure, AB is equals to AC. AB side and AC side equal. AP side and AQ side equal. you have to prove that triangle APC and triangle AQB. You have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So let us start. Now, before you start solving, you must understand on the triangle how you can prove them they are congruent. So when you are taking triangle APC, you observe that your side AP of this triangle APC is equal to side AQ of triangle AQB, right? This side and this side equal, it is given. Then you also see that in triangle APC, the side AC, the side AC, this side AC, this complete side is equal to side AB of the triangle AQB. And finally, you see that this angle A, okay, it is between these two sides of both the triangle. So this is a common angle. So this is going to be equal in both the triangles. So by side angle side criteria, I will say that these two triangles are congruent. So you have to first see the answer on diagram and then you have to write. So in solution, I will say that in triangle APC and triangle AQB. Now in these two triangles, AP is equals to AQ. The reason is given. Okay. Now in this chapter, it is very important that you mention all the reasons for each and every statement. So AP is equals to AQ, you will write given. Then you have AB is equals to AC. So this side AC in this triangle AC, side AC is equals to side AB. This is also given. And you have angle A, that is angle PAC is equal to angle QAB, is equals to angle QAB. This is a common angle. So this is also given. Therefore, you will say that your triangle APC is congruent to triangle AQB. And the reason is side angle side criteria. So by side angle side criteria, this APC and AQB congruent. Now once these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. Corresponding part, so this CP part and this BQ part, they are going to be equal. So when three conditions are proved, the other three conditions we can say that they are also equal. So here CP is equals to BQ. Reason is corresponding part of congruent triangle. And angle APC is equals to AQB. And angle APC is equals to angle AQP. This is also CPCT. Okay. So you proved all these three conditions. So when we proved everything, what we can write at the end? We can write QED. What is this QED? Actually, this means that whatever we have to prove, we have proved. What we have to prove, that we have all proved. This is the meaning of this statement QED. This is some Latin short form of some Latin word, which whose meaning is that we have proved what we are asked to prove. Okay, now let us see the fourth question. Here we have triangle. In the adjoining figure, you have given AB. Okay, so AB is equals to AC. Just mark it. AB and AC are equal. P and Q are the point on BA and CA. So BA On BA extended, we have point P, and similarly on CA extended, we have point Q, such that this part AP is equals to this part AQ. Now I have to prove that the triangle APC, this triangle APC and triangle AQB, they are congruent. Okay, so easily you can identify that this angle and this angle, they are going to be equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So again, I have side angle side criteria to prove that these two triangles are equal. Once I prove that these two triangles are equal, their corresponding parts will be equal. So here, let us start. I will say that in triangle APC and triangle AQB, we have AC is equals to AB. This is given. We have angle PAC is equals to angle QAB. We will say that vertically opposite angle. And third side, we have AP side is equals to AQ side. This is also given. So therefore, I have triangle. Therefore, we will say the triangle APC is congruent to triangle AQB, and criteria is side angle side criteria. This is side angle side criteria. And once I prove that these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding part, that is CP part and BQ part, they are going to be equal. So CP is equals to BQ. CP is equals to BQ. They are corresponding part of congruent triangle. And angle angle ACP is equals to angle ACP is equal to angle ABQ. This is also corresponding part of congruent triangle. So we have proved everything. So this is QED. Next question. In the adjoining figure, AD, this side AD is equals to side BC is equals to this side. And BD, this side is equal to side AC. These two sides are equal. And the adjoining figure, BD is equals to AC and BD is equals to AC and AD is equals to BC. As I have marked, we have to prove that angle ADB, angle ADB, this angle, and BCA, this angle, these two angles are equal. We have to prove, and we have to prove that DAB means this complete angle, and CBA, this complete angle. We have to prove that these two are also equal. Okay. In the problem, they have given hint. Okay, actually means it is not necessary that hint is provided to you. It is you who have to understand how you can prove these things. So here they have given hint that I will prove these two triangles congruent first using the side criteria. So already two sides we have seen. Now what is the remaining side? AB. In both the triangles you can see that you have side AB which is common. So using side I can prove that triangle ABD and triangle BAC congruent. Once I prove it, then their corresponding parts is automatically going to be equal. So let us start. We will take triangle, two triangles. So I will say that in triangle, this is solution. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, we have AD is equals to BC given. Second, we have given BD is equals to AC. BD is equals to AC is also given. Third side AB, I will say that AB is equals to AB is equal to AB or BA. We will write with their proper correspondence. So here I am taking AB, here I will take BA. But they are the same sides. So AB is equals to BA. This is common side. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So these two triangles are congruent by side criteria. These two are congruent by side criteria. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Now, as these are congruent, their corresponding parts, that is angle ADB. So therefore, angle ADB is equal to angle ADB is congruent to or is equal to, we are taking ADB, so here it is BCA is equal to BCA. This is corresponding part of congruent triangle. So ABD is equal to BCA and DAB. Similarly, angle DAB. Now you can see this triangle. When I am saying DAB, here I will say that CBA is equal to angle CBA, corresponding part of congruent triangle CBCD. So we have proved that is QED. Right now, simple chapter. Only you have to see on the diagram that how you can prove the two triangles are congruent. Right? Now, sixth question. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD, you can see this is a quadrilateral, in which AD and BC equal. AD and BC equal. You can see in the diagram they have given equal, and DAB, and CBA. This angle also they have given equal. You have to prove that triangle ABD and BAC congruent. BD is equals to AC and angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. Now you pause the video, try yourself, okay, and then see the solution. So in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, it is given that AD is equals to BC. It is given that AD is equals to BC. Angle DAB is equals to DAB is equals to CBA. Angle CBA and side AB is equals to side BA. Therefore, you have triangle ABD. You have triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. The criteria is side angle side. So this is side angle side criteria. So by using side angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So you have proved this. Now their corresponding parts are equal. So this BD, so therefore we have BD is equals to AC, and we have angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. They are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay. So therefore QD. Done. Now there are a few more questions, but we will stop our lecture here. First, you practice all these questions. I will also recommend that you go through your chapter. A lot of new information is provided there. Go through it and understand it, and obviously see examples, how they solve the examples, and then do the exercise. Thank you. I will meet you in the next class with the remaining problems.